So last time we were trying to add two numbers. That's what we were doing last time. And I'll just write a program here. The same program. I'll write it a bit fast because I did it. And from there, I'll show you how to add three numbers, four numbers instead of two, or even multiply three numbers instead of two. So let's start. Let's first declare the first two numbers. Int num1, int num2, then from there you tell the user to enter the numbers. Console dot write line please enter first like that, it's a semicolon, then this integer here is num1. Remember what we are doing, we say num1 is equals to convert dot console read line like that. You tell the user, okay, you can do this pretty fast. You can just copy it instead of typing again. But here we tell the user to enter the second number. And here, instead of num1, put num2. And so the next step is just to add the two numbers. Okay, we could have declared in sum here, sum meaning addition. So we say sum is equals to num1 plus num2 like that. Console.read line, light line, the sum of the two numbers is, we put this sign. Remember I told you that this is not the addition sign that we are used to in mathematics. In mathematics, when you do this, you are just adding numbers like this. Yeah, this is an example of adding numbers, but this one you are joining text. It's called concatenation sign. I remember something like that. A sum like that. So even if here you are you're doing the minus or the difference of the two numbers, and you put minus here like that, here you should not put minus the way I saw you doing last time. You should not put minus. It should be just like that because you're adding, because you're joining these two texts. Okay. Yes. So we have finished that program. Let us run it. It takes a few seconds to run. For example, if you are doing it for the first time, you have opened the application. Please enter the first number, you put 10. Please enter the second number, you put another, or even 20. The sum of the two numbers is 30. So I was requesting you last time to, instead of these two numbers, instead of adding two numbers like this, you add 3 numbers. Okay. I saw you making a mistake of putting here plus num3 like this, or something. I don't remember what you did. Num3 like that. It can't work because this num3, you have, first of all, you have not declared it. You must come here, say int num3. You have declared it. When you declare like this, it means you are telling the program that you are going to use this number at a later point in the program, like this. Again, when you do that, you must do this. You see this? You must tell the user here to enter that number and convert the number to integer like this. You must always do that. Okay. So let us just copy instead of typing. So let's trying like that. The number like that, just semicolon. Then convert this num3 to integer. Num3 is equals to, you can see this Visual Studio 2022. They have, it is good. It is user friendly, meaning you can. You are not supposed to always type. It brings suggestions like this, and it is telling you to click tab to accept this, and that's what I want, definitely, like that. You see now there is no error. Anytime you write a program and you see something like, let me show you. This, some of the things have been underlined like this, just know that is an error. It means there is an error. There's somewhere you have gone wrong and you need to rectify. So let's take it like that. So that's how you add 3 numbers. You must always declare the third number. If it's 4 numbers, you have to declare num4. First of all, if it's 4 numbers, you have to do this int num4, like that. You repeat the same thing like this. Okay, here below, okay. You must repeat console dot write line please enter the 4th number, like that. You see there is a line, meaning there is an error, so you put a semicolon. Then num4, this one, you put it like this. You put it like this here. You write something like this, converting it to integer. So like that. Okay. Plus num4. Like that. Simple. The sum, so here below you write the sum of the 4 numbers because they are now 4. Like that. So let us run the program and see the output. Please enter the first number is 10, 10, 10, and another 10. It should be 40, the answer. You see, the sum of the four numbers is 40. So that's simple. It's that simple. You just need to understand the concept. Just understand the concept. The same case applies. For example, if you are multiplying these numbers, since you have already converted all the numbers to integer in this part, you only need to come here, just change this sign to multiplication like that. Like that. And instead of sum, you can call it product, because multiplication, when you're multiplying, it's called product. I hope you know that. And here, we replace sum with product. Even if you don't change this sum, and here you don't change sum, it will just give you the correct answer, but it's good to put it in the correct English, like that. You see, it will work. Enter the first number. You say, well, it's like 5, 5, 5, 5. The sum of anyway, the sum, it should be the product of the four numbers is 625. You see, like that. Yeah, you have to change it to program to product. It's that simple. In this part, we are telling the user to enter the first number. Then after user enters that first number, we convert it to integer. In this part. In this other part, we are telling the user to enter the second number. After user enters the second number, we convert it to integer. From that, we tell him or her to enter the third number. Then we convert it to integer. From there, we tell him to enter the fourth number. Then we convert it to integer. From that, at that point, the user has entered the four numbers and they have been converted to integers. From that, we then do our math from what the user has entered. Okay, we multiply all the four numbers. From multiplying, we display on the screen in this part. The product of the four numbers is product. This product, we are telling the program to read here the product, the result of this mathematics here. Okay, hope you have understood. I want you to understand this concept so that it can also be easier to learn other things which are a bit different from this, although they are not difficult in me. I don't consider them difficult because we also understood when we were learning. And we were just like you. We were not understanding some of the things, but with practice, we came to understand. So in the next video, I'll record something to use something like, I'll teach you how to use if else statements, something called if else statements. I'll teach you more about that in the next video.